What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to change your character outfit and appearance in Ni no Kuni Crossworlds. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While in-game, tap on the burger menu on the top right of your screen. From here, select the character icon and then tap on costumes. You can preview your character and pick from a list of unlocked or crafted outfits. In case you wish to unlock a specific outfit, then tap on craft after selecting it. This will require some materials, such as fabric and other items found in the game. After equipping a new outfit, select dye. This will allow you to change the color of your outfit. This will require one dye every time you choose to change the color of your outfit. In the hair section, you can proceed to equip, craft and dye new styles the same way. When selecting the arrow icon on the bottom of the list of items, you can select how to filter and sort your outfits, decoration items and so on. This will allow you to preview some uncraftable items which will be unlocked in the future. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.